Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to film this. This is a Ricky's Cold Crush box. Last month my friend got it for the first time and they got the Pinky Luxe palette and she let me show it on here. So I thought what she got in the box was wonderful for $9.99. So I subscribed, and a few days after I subscribed, they raised it to $14.99. So I'm like debating, okay, well, that's $5. It's not like $1 or $2 difference. So I thought, okay, well, we're going to test it out this month, see what I get. Well, I was supposed to get my box in May. And I did. I guess I got it the last month of May, yesterday. So let's see what is in the Cold Crush box and see if it is worth the $14.99 now. It's got the little colored paper, which is cute. Oh, looks decent. I think I'm missing something because they emailed me about some micellar water, if I'm saying that right. If I'm not, oh well. Let's move on and see what we have. Sculpt and Blend Mini 2 3-piece brush set. Okay, not sure. It's by BH Cosmetics. They are minis. Let's see what we have. I get BoxyCharm and Glossy Box. So if this ends up not being worth it, I will discontinue it. And I got FabFitFun coming. I'm super excited. It should be here tomorrow. Okay, I'm not a big fan of mini brushes, but here we go. I think, in fact, I'm not going to take them out of their packaging. And here, I think I'm going to just put them automatically in a future giveaway. Yeah. Then we have Pure Paw Paw Ointment Strawberry. Saves your skin as it soothes and smooths. I don't know what the hell this is. Pure Paw Paw Ointment. It sounds like something for my freaking dog. Is a topical ointment used for dry, chapped, cracked lips and skin. Alrighty then. That I was going to be putting on my dog's paws. Yeah. Okay, I don't know, man. Something you'd see at the Dollar Tree or something right here. LA Girl Glide Gel Eyeliner. This is probably $2.99 Ulta. Pretty color, but these are all going in giveaways. I'm just not impressed. Wash and Stain Bar Vegetable Soap. Wow. So I have veggie soap now. Vegetable soap, borax, and essential oils. Okay, and there you go. Alright, then we have one thing left. Aurora, I can never say that fucking name. Right there. Aura Glow Liquid Highlighter. Not a fan of liquid highlighters. In fact, I'm going to be getting rid of more than what I've already done. But I hate to break this open, but I might try it at least. And here it is. It looks like a champagne color. I don't know if I'm going to open it. And that is it. So there is a little card here. Let's try and shut this. Here's the card. And this says, Bioderma Sensible H2O. This cleansing and makeup remover water is a springtime essential for any beauty babe. It's perfectly compatible with all skin types, produces a feeling of freshness, and helps rebuild. Okay, I didn't get Bioderma, so maybe that is what they're emailing me about. Laundress, I wish they would list the prices of each thing because I have never heard of any of this. Wash and Stain Bar. This handy bar is your wardrobe's new BFF. Okay, it's designed to clean those hard to reach stains that all beauty lovers experience from ring around the collar. Oh my lord. I throw my clothes in the washer and the dryer, and how they come out is how they come out. I don't iron. I don't do this. Pure Papa multi-purpose ointment, which was this. Carry this product with you wherever you go to soothe dry lips. Jesus, that's a big lip soother. Usually mine are, you know, like a lip gloss size, a lipstick. And skin in no time. Crafted from farm source fruits. This formula is the perfect solution. Heal and hydrate. Okay. J-Cat liquid highlighter. Liquid highlighter. What the fuck? Turns heads in sunshine from this dewy multi-dimensional highlighter. Mix it with your favorite primer. Whoa. I didn't get that. I got the wrong card or something because this is LA Girl. I didn't get a highlighter. Well, I did. I got this one. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. My bad. This is J-Cat. Makes more sense now. Mix it with your foundation or moisturizer. Okay, whatever. And then we got the BH Mini Blend Brush. If you can't tell, I am so disappointed. This is just the crappiest box I've ever gotten. And it is my first time. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They gave me 5 items. I don't know if this is supposed to replace the Bioderma water, but I'd rather have that any day over a Wash and Stain Bar. These are all going in a upcoming giveaway. And as for Quote Crushers, it's just it's crush crap. It's a box of crap. I could probably find it mostly at Dollar Tree, and it is not worth $14.99 at all in any way, shape, or form. Their last 2 boxes were supposedly very good. I heard really good things about them. I might give it 1 more month, but I'll tell you right now, don't waste your money. I would rather have the Ipsy bag than this. So yeah, anyways, you guys can look forward to some mini brushes if you're interested to wash and stain your clothing, because I'm not. And how about some Pure Papa for your lips? Just not one of these products am I interested, even in the glow. I'm not even going to open it, guys. I'm just going to put it in a giveaway. What an ultimate fail. Crap. That's what I call it. And they better send me my Bioderm water, because that's the only thing I'll be keeping from this box. So anyway, sorry about the negative review on this, but it is just an epic fail, and I would actually like my money back. Anyways, I don't recommend Quote Crushers, but I might give it 1 more month. I am very, very hesitant because they raised it $5, and this, I'm sorry, is not worth 15 bucks. This is like 99-cent store shit. So I hope you like this video. My box of charms are much, much better than this. If you're new, welcome. And if you've been here, thank you so much. And turn on that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram, Susan Young 1974. I hope you have a very wonderful day. I will see you soon. And